Hey everyone, this time I'm going to talk about how to write an algorithm using machine learning model, using machine learning ML. So how to do that? So here, this time also I'm going to take the same example, that is spam filter here. But before that, I just want to explain a normal workflow. How can you write an algorithm using ML? Okay. For example, see, this is your problem. As in the same way earlier we have seen, this is your problem. And here what happens is, you train an algorithm, you train ML algorithm using what? Using the data. Using the data, you're going to train your ML algorithm. Okay. And after training, what you can do is, you just evaluate the solution. Whether your solution is right or not, we don't know. So for that, we just need to evaluate that. After evaluating, if all the performance measures are good enough, then what happens? You just launch it. If the performance measures, after evaluating, the performance measures are not that satisfied, then what we can do is, we just go and we just look for errors. That is, we are going to analyze the errors. So we are going to analyze the errors. And after analyzing, we again approach towards this problem again. Then we understand the problem again. Then we train the machine learning algorithm using the data. After that, we again evaluate. And then if it is set to go, all set to go, then we just launch it. This is what it is. Now, this time, I'll tell you the difference between writing an algorithm in ML with writing an algorithm in using conventional programming method. Okay, I'm going to tell you the difference here. So this time, our spam filter classifies in a new mail whether it is a spam or a ham. Okay, based on it, usually learns spam filter uh, based on machine learning. So a spam filter, which is actually based on machine learning, it usually learns all the patterns, all the patterns of words or phrases. Okay, by detecting them automatically, by detecting patterns automatically, automatically. Here, learns all the patterns of the words or phrases, in the sense, what does it mean? So here we are actually saying these words or keywords are the good predictors of spam here. In the sense, I'm saying, in the sense, what I'm trying to say is, here our spam filter based on the machine learning algorithm is usually learning about all the keywords, that is credit card or maybe credit and free. These are the keywords. It usually learns uh, uh, all the words or the phrases which are usually a good predictors of spam. In the sense, if any email or if any Gmail contains this keyword, that is credit or free, it belongs to spam category. Then what happens if it is belong to spam category? These keywords, that is credit or the free, these are the keywords which are nothing but my predictors. These are my predictors. What is mean by predictor? For example, when it just consider the rainfall here. Okay, rainfall is my end task. This is my end task. If I want to predict the rainfall, what are the predictors that we need to look on? Maybe I'll check the sky. If the sky is very cloudy, then I can surely say that it is going to rain now. Okay, so sky is my predictor here. This is my predictor. So likewise, credit and free, these are the two terms that are usually the predictors of spam. If my mail has these kind of keywords, credit or free, then I can definitely say that it is going to be in the spam folder. Okay. So here what I'm trying to say is my spam filter, which is based on the machine learning algorithm, it automatically learns which words are the phrases that are actually good predictors of spam by detecting unusual frequent patterns, okay, of the words in the spam. Examples compared to ham. Okay, but what is the advantage here? But what is the advantage of writing spam filter um, in machine learning algorithm over conventional method? The most advantage is here the program is very short. The program is very short. It is easy to maintain. No need of writing any complex rules and all. It is very much easier to maintain. And compared with accuracy, it is more accurate. It is it is more accurate. So these are the advantages over writing an algorithm using conventional methods. So here, just see here, I have explained so many concepts in this thing. uh, I have explained what is how to write an algorithm using ML in specifically spam filter. This is just an overall workflow. This particular flowchart is a overall workflow, and in particularly I have explained by taking an example of spam filter, as I have explained earlier in my writing an algorithm using conventional video. Okay, here I have said it automatically detects all the patterns of words and phrases by detecting unusual frequent patterns. Okay, automatically. How does it actually doing? It is using the technology machine learning. Okay, and what are all the benefits that usually have? Benefits are nothing but program would be very short. It is very much easier to maintain, and accuracy would be very high when compared with conventional programming. So this is it for this video. I hope you like the content. If you like it, just share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to ML Naruto and become a Hokage. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.